Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Right. Hopeless for a Thomas, I'll take the joy. Okay, right, let's get back. Morning we are discussing about simple spring block system.
Yes, sir, at
Okay,
last.
and you
Time
have seen that the time period of oscillation. What is that you got?
sir,
5
2 pi
mk under root.
under root of m by k.
Frequency is 1 by t.
Yes, sir.
What are this?
Followed, sir.
Now let us see a simple pendulum. Basically, what is a simple pendulum? A point mass. Remember, this is what? A
Point mass.
point mass suspended by massless means negligible mass. Massless, inextensible, okay. Now, suppose the pendulum, what are the forces acting on the pendulum, man? One is the tension.
Is a tension from G.
Gravitational.
mg.
Now T equals mg.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the position of equilibrium, no?
Yes, sir. Question of equilibrium.
Understood this? Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
No doubts.
For 1 minute, sir. Please.
1 minute.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
CBSE.
Yes, sir, done.
CBSE
Yes, sir.
fellow. Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
right,
Yes, sir.
you became a good boy nowadays.
No, sir.
At least next year you'll meet another lecturer. Few days you'll be friendly with
No,
him.
sir. We'll be with you only, sir.
What is this? Equilibrium position, no? Now,
Yes.
from equilibrium position, if move a bob like this, okay, followed. Now, if you leave this, the bob will definitely come over here. Agreed? See, this is the maximum displacement, no? Because this is what you can get.
Yes, sir. Maximum.
Maximum displacement, sir.
Maximum angular displacement. I will call it as theta naught. Okay. Now, when you leave it, what will happen? The bob will come like this, no?
Yes, sir.
Say when it makes an angle theta like that, let us see what are the forces. This is mg.
mg
Sin mg cos theta.
cos
Cos
mg, sir.
mg sin theta.
Agreed? So
Yes,
which
sir.
force is tending to cause motion of this?
mg sin
mg sin
Force tending to bring bob to which position?
to equilibrium.
equilibrium position.
Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Agree, sir.
That means I can say what is the restoring force?
mg sin theta.
mg sin theta.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, angular displacement must be small.
Small. Yes, sir.
Then if this is small, this will be small now because this is lesser than that now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Therefore, restoring force is how much?
Mg theta.
Theta.
Mg. Sorry, sir. Minus mg. Opposite to h.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose this is x, this is L. What I can write here? Arc
Yes,
by radius, no?
Sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Arc length
Yes,
by
sir.
radius.
Tan 1 is equal to x.
Do you agree with this?
agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means F is equal to this. So I can write it in vector form. Why? Because this is the displacement, no?
Yes, sir.
Theta is small also.
Because displacement direction is this side, whereas force is this. Displacement is always measured from mean position, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
From
sir.
me.
Do you agree with this? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Yes.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, the other method is, hello,
Yes, yes,
this
yes.
is the equilibrium position. No?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you bring it to here, this position, this is maximum displacement.
Yes, sir.
When you leave it at some position, it will be theta. No? Now
Theta.
you have seen that this is
mg cos theta.
mg sin theta.
Sin theta.
This is L. Okay. This
Yes, sir.
is torque acting on Bob
Yes.
about point O. Can you tell how what it will be?
LMG
See,
sin theta.
will mg sin theta have any torque?
Yes, sir.
Mg cos theta?
No, sir. No talk.
So torque due to mg cos theta how much?
0.
Zero.
Because they are parallel, no?
Yes, sir.
Parallel. Sin 0.
So what is the torque due to
LMG sin theta.
what is the angle? 90, no?
Yes, sir. And,
Agreed? So what is the direction of torque? Can you tell?
sir, clockwise.
Clockwise. Till here any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Yes.
Now see, this displacement is in which direction?
Sir, displacement is towards mean position.
Anti-clockwise direction.
Source.
That means theta. So net torque is nothing but okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll write it as
Minus. Yes.
you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
See why I have taken negative sign?
Sir, because this anti-clockwise opposite to theta bar.
Direction of torque and theta are in opposite direction.
What is torque I alpha, no?
I alpha.
I about point O into alpha. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is I is nothing but mass into L square about this point. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember, sir, talk.
Do you agree with this? M will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So you have d square theta by dt square is nothing but minus GBL. No, this is nothing but angular acceleration is proportion minus of omega square into angular displacement. This is SHM, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore, if you compare what you have, G by L, no?
G
So
to
omega is root over G by L, no? Time
yes,
is 2 pi by omega, no?
Omega.
2 pi, same thing you got or not?
Yes, sir.
Got, sir, same thing.
Write it slowly, understand and write. Don't
Yes.
simply copy, there is no use in that.
Sir, writing, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Done, sir.
So, what is the time period of simple pendulum?
So 2 pi under root of L by G.
Now, see, independent of amplitude, no?
Yes, sir. Independent of amplitude.
Because there is nothing like amplitude term, no?
Not there, sir. Only length of the string. That
Hmm.
only there. Mass of Bohr.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
This is the reason why
Replaced with a heavier Bohr. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
but different mass. Will the time period change?
No, sir. It will not change. According to this.
Similarly, if a girl or boy is swinging, you know what is swing, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
You have
yes,
seen a swing?
yes, sir. In parks.
You have seen that?
Yes, sir. We have
Yes,
seen.
sir.
No, all internet era, no?
No, sir.
Another sits with her. Will the time period change?
No, sir.
No,
Not
sir.
change.
No, sir.
The
Because
mass is increased, but
it is independent.
Okay, sure. It will not change.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Hold on.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, then how this swing is slowing down, sir? According to this.
Swing.
Yes, sir.
This we derived assuming that there is no air friction, no? Have you taken air friction? You have taken only gravitation force, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct,
But in
sir.
reality, air friction will be there, no?
Will be there. Will be there.
So we are not taking air friction. So
Yes,
if
sir.
air friction is there, automatically the energy of the pendulum is dissipated and hence slow gradually it comes to rest.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't thought about it. Clear, sir.
You finished board exams, man. You're intelligent than me.
No, sir. It is not testing intelligence, sir.
Hmm. If they test the intelligence, syllabus won't be over, no? Like mine. See, everybody completed the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
See, this is what we need. You're able to see.
Sir. No, sir. Not clear.
No, sir. Not that much clear, sir.
No?
No,
Yes.
sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
First one is what?
9920.
Highest is what?
Yes, sir.
9920.
First one or second one, third one? Which one?
First one.
First one,
Sir,
sir.
First one.
Fourth one.
The first one.
First
sir,
one.
first, sir.
What,
Okay.
sir?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Physics.
Physics, sir.
This is NTA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll think about that. You people IP marks like tissue paper. What is the use of that? I don't know.
What is
IP has no connection only, but I don't know why this nonsense has come. Right. Come back to this.
Yes, sir.
See here, what is T man? 2 pi root over L by G.
Yes, sir.
What exactly is L? Can you tell?
Sir,
See,
let
suppose, remember that this is the distance from point of suspension to the
To the
center
center
of
of mass
mass of the bob.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
L is what? Distance between
Suspension to the center of mass of the body.
Yes. Bob.
understood this.
Understood, sir.
Now see, if a girl swinging
Yes, sir.
sitting on a swinging swing, that means the girl is sitting and she is swinging. Stands up, what will happen? Her center of mass rises,
Center of
no?
mass rises up, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Right, sir.
So when center of mass rises up, what will happen?
L decreases.
L is decreased.
And increase.
L
Decreases.
increase a hopeless fellow. Center of mass comes here, no?
Yes, sir.
Decreases.
L will decrease or not?
L will decrease,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Decrease.
T will decrease, no?
Yes, sir. Time period will decrease.
No, no.
Noting, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. Writing, sir.
All would be IITians.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
See, I'm just showing this in a bigger way, just to visualize and shake.
Yes.
Now, suppose this is having, I'll fill it with one water, some water, fully filled.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the center of mass, no?
Yes, sir. That is the center.
Now, as I'll keep a hole. If we keep a hole, what will happen? Water will come out, no?
Yes, sir. It will come out.
As the liquid leaks out, level will come like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It will
sir.
come.
So center of mass will be moving down or not? Because center of mass will always be nearer to the heavier mass, no? Previously above and below mass is same amount of mass, midpoint. Now below mass is more, no? So what will happen? Center of mass will decrease.
Come down.
Shift onwards.
Okay. Now after it is fully empty, what will happen?
Only it will again come to center.
Again it comes to here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood, sir.
So that means, shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir, please.
So if a hole understood this?
Understood, sir.
So once can you show the whole page?
Others have written this.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir, please.
Sir, can you please paste the left side, sir?
This one you completed or not?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, now the paper.
Now is it clear?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
April 15th to June 15th. No more classes.
Yes, sir, IPA.
2 months enjoy.
No, sir. Pending work.
Only 1 month, no, sir. After that,
Why?
we'll have classes.
June 15th again.
Yes, sir. Huh? June 15.
Hmm.
Me, me. Sir, we'll start our classes soon, sir. After exams, you start
Yes,
for
sir.
us. Yes, sir.
No.
After exam, you start for us. We'll,
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Will I complete this?
Completed, sir.
Next. Just for fun, I am saying, man.
what,
No.
sir?
Soon after IPU only they'll start.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Not in one day they'll give holiday.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Evening only girls will start off the classes.
Evening goes, sir, will take.
That day, girls will start that evening only. He won't waste 1 minute also.
Yes, sir.
I will start late.
You will
The
start
next day I will start lately.
Yes, sir. One day
next day
late.
also. Will start. What he will start, sir?
Hmm. Will first what will happen?
Yes, sir.
Comes down, sir.
Yes, sir. Come down.
Moves. Agreed or not? Just now I explained now.
Yes,
Explain,
sir.
sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Till it becomes empty. So, initial time period. Sir, one doubt, sir. So
Tell.
this decrease of this time period, it is instantly decreasing or slowly decreasing, sir?
Slowly,
Yes.
because that water is coming down. Okay,
Yes,
it
sir.
goes on increasing, time period increases.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It is. Yes, sir.
then
But
after entire thing is empty, suddenly it comes to original value. Correct or not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Water is totally empty, immediately it comes to what? Center of mass. To
Center
its
of mass.
original position, no?
Yes, sir. It will come to original question. So
So,
suddenly.
suddenly.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Indeed.
Yes, sir.
Again, time period also depends upon
Yeah, G acceleration due to gravity.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So if a clock, wall clocks olden days, they're based on pendulum only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, independent. Yes, sir. To complete given time, given number of oscillations.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
For one oscillation, suppose it takes 1 second here, there it takes 2 seconds. So
Yes,
in 1 minute on Earth, it will be taking 60 oscillations. So at that place, it will take only 30 oscillations, no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
G will decrease.
So we can say that, agreed.
Yes, agreed.
What are the number of oscillations?
60 oscillations.
Hmm?
60 oscillations.
60.
Yes.
Only 30 times, no?
Yes, sir. It will Oscillate less.
So time shown is how much?
1 minute. Same minute.
Half minute.
Sorry, sir.
On earth it will show it makes 60. Follow this?
Yes, sir. Follow, sir.
On earth it makes 60. So we take that as 1 minute each oscillation. Now this is decreased. So it will record how much?
Only half minute. Clock will record only half minute.
Hmm.
Yes.
So it loses time, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what we can say?
Clock loses time. Sure. Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Follow, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Sir, done, sir.
Suppose or a satellite, what will happen?
Sir.
Pendulum will come to rest at a point.
What is G effective? Remember? 0. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Remember.
In a satellite, what a weightlessness condition, remember?
Yes, sir. This is weightless condition. Remember, sir.
Agreed.
Agree, sir. Agree.
The time period is infinity, frequency is this.
0.
That means what will happen? Pendulum will not oscillate.
Yes, sir. Will not oscillate.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in a free fall, after falling some distance, the acceleration will be equal to acceleration due to gravity, no, sir?
No,
Until
no.
then, it's possible.
Free fall means purely it is falling under gravity. The name
Oh,
free fall means that only. Followed?
yes, sir.
Followed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. So you have y equals followed this.
Followed, sir. Acceleration. Yes, sir. Followed.
So the graphs will be see sine 0, 0, no?
Yes, sir. Zero.
Yes, sir.
Again, see this is take it as t by 2.
Yes, sir.
You could take it as t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4,
Yes.
t. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, this is 0. Here remember t by 4. Again it comes here. Again goes here. Again comes back here after time.
40 by
This is
8.
actually this. Means at t by 4 it is at maxima, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree
Maximum.
this or not?
Agree, sir.
That means it will become maximum at t by 2 minimum.
Mean distance.
At 3t by 4 negative maximum, no?
Yes, sir. Negative maximum.
So you can see that this is the graph.
Minus A. Plus A.
This is the
Yes, sir.
graph of displacement versus time.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Similarly, you have velocity. See, t equals to 0. What is maximum or minimum here?
So,
T equals to 0 mean position, no?
yes, sir.
When
Mean
the
position.
particle is at mean position, what you'll have? Maximum, no?
Maximum. Maximum.
At t by 2, where it is? At t by 4 it has 0 velocity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait for 0 velocity. Yes.
T by 2 it is reversing direction. Again maxima.
Yes, sir.
At 3 by 2 it is at 3t by 4 it is 0. Again it has maxima here.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is
Omega minus omega. Sorry, sir. E max.
followed this graph. Hello, you followed or not?
Followed, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
See, I'll come back to all these chapters in depth again. This is only to help you to write to your board instead of reading blindly that question answers. At least you'll know some concepts now.
Yes, sir.
I am not claiming that I am completing the syllabus. These few lessons actually I gave it to that IP, but you said he's teaching question answers. No, that is a dangerous thing of learning without subject. That's why I'm completing at least what is needed. Again, I'll come back to all this. You don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Last year you joined in June or July, I think. No,
July, sir.
Yes, sir.
June, sir.
July and
July,
first one. July first 1.5 months we have basic maths. No.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you'll have in May only we'll start no basic maths, nothing. So we have enough time. Don't worry about that. Okay, now come back to the acceleration. Acceleration t equals to 0. What happens? 0, no? This is positive extreme, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus will here acceleration is this side, negative. Acceleration is this side, no?
Yes, sir. Towards negative direction. Yes.
So
Displacement, sir.
you so here it has t by 4 maximum. T by 2 it will be here.
0.
Again 3t by 2 this side, positive side.
Positive.
Again at t it will come over here, no?
0. Yes, sir.
This is what?
My omega square. Omega square.
What is this?
Minus omega square.
Followed this?
Followed, sir. Followed.
This is about the graphs. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Followed? Any doubts are there?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Clear.
Right, complete this. Now I sent on PDF now to you. Go to that SHM questions in that. If you have any doubts, you can ask tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll go to the next chapter. Okay?
Yes,
Next
sir.
chapter is elasticity, mechanical properties. I'll start. Go to that. Now
Okay,
only
sir.
soon after your prayer, you'll do it. Half an
Okay,
hour,
sir.
you'll see. Half an hour, you'll complete that. See, one lesson will go over.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you show the previous page, sir? Please.
What is the previous page?
I was disconnected, sir.
So from 12th we have exam, it seems.
Whatever it is. The WhatsApp exam only. No?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have to open the meeting. We have to show our faces, sir. 9 to 12, sir.
In face of face, after show for the faces, what will do? What they will do? You show the face, no? Book you will be writing here, no?
No, sir.
Hmm.
We have to show them how we are writing on.
Split screen we can write, no, sir.
Network disconnected. Right on. You people are much more intelligent, man. No, they too know this. They too know
Yes,
this.
sir.
Everything is a formality, no?
No, sir. No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They want us to submit the papers at 4,
Yes,
4
sir. Daily
p.m., sir.
basis.
We should go daily. We should
You
go
go
and
and
give
submit.
the papers and come.
Yes, sir.
At that
On that day
at
only,
Ramzan
the
timings,
paper we have.
Ramzan timings, summer time, we should go at 4 p.m. 4 p.m.
2 to
Ramzan time.
4.
Okay,
Yes,
take
sir.
it lightly. Take it in a lighter and don't take anything seriously. It will spoil
Yes,
your
sir.
health. What is the previous one, man? This one you're asking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take a
Yes,
screenshot
sir.
first. Took the screenshot. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, taken, sir.
Right. Complete this. Go to that. If you have any doubt, I'll explain. Otherwise, I'll continue with the next lesson. Right, then take it. Tomorrow we'll meet.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
సేవ చేసినట్టు చెప్పు. ఏం పర్లేదు చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రీ అని చెప్పు. పర్లేదు, అరగంట అయినా పర్లేదు చెప్పు. చేయించు. విజయవాడలో. అది అప్పట్లో ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ వెళ్ళి టికెట్ తీసుకోవాలి అంతే. నువ్వు చేయాల్సింది ఏం లేదు. నువ్వేం చేయాల్సింది ఏం లేదు. ఆలోచి అన్ని పెట్టుకుంటావు సామాన్లు అన్నీ. అది అప్పట్లో మరి నాకు రేట్లు గుర్తులేవు, ఎంత ఉంటుంది అది. లేదు, అది రోజు ఉంటుంది. రోజు ఉంటుంది. అంటే 9కి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఒక 2 hours అలా చేస్తారు. అంటే మొత్తం ప్రసాదాలు అన్నీ అయ్యేసరికి అంటే జనాలు కొంచెం ఎక్కువ మంది. ఇప్పుడు మరి కోవిడ్ తక్కువ పెడతారేమో కానీ అప్పట్లో జనాలు బాగానే ఉండేవారు. అదొక శ్రీశైలంలో కూడా చేస్తారు. అది ఇంకా పవర్ఫుల్. అక్కడ కూడా చేస్తారు. నేను చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తావు మరి? నాకు తెలుసు. నేను చేయించాను ఇంతకుముందు. అదే నువ్వు ఒకటికి కాదు. కానీ నువ్వు భార్యతలు చేయిస్తే మంచిది కదా. అవేం అంత సీన్ అంతేం లేదులే. నువ్వు అసలు 1 day బిఫోర్ వెళ్ళినా దొరుకుతారు. అయితే మన దగ్గర ఎలాగున్నారు. అదేం లేదు. ఓహో, నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ఆవిడ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిన తర్వాత వచ్చి చేయించుకోవడం కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు పట్టలేదు? మొక్కు ఉందా? మరి అయితే మరి అదే అక్కడ చేస్తారు, మన శ్రీశైలంలో కూడా చేస్తారు. 2 చండీ హోమాలు చేస్తారు. అదే దుర్గాదేవి అయితే నువ్వు మంచిది అనుకుంటే వెళ్ళొచ్చు అక్కడ. అది 1 day బిఫోరు. అదైనా అయితే నువ్వు మొక్కుకున్నావు పర్టికులర్గా ఇది అని, చండీ హోమం అని. అదే సరే. అది 1 day బిఫోర్ వెళ్తుంది. నువ్వు ఒకసారి